Welcome to DIY Finance Hack. My name is Eddie, and I will go through why I think today, in April 2025, is still a great buying opportunity to invest in ETFs. Please note, this video is only for educational purpose only, and always do your own research. Let's look at the 6 months chart of the US S&P 500. It made an all-time high in Feb. I made a video in March and said it's a good buying opportunity. And I still think it's a good buying opportunity today in April. So in March, many analysts didn't think that Trump will shock the market on his Liberation Day speech, where he imposed those very high tariffs on a lot of countries. I still think it's going to be choppy for the next few months. But 1 year from now, the market will be up. So I do think now is still a good buying opportunity. So if you have some money saved up, you can deploy some this month, this week, and some next month. I want to show you the S&P 500 historical chart and show you all the major market correction or market crash. We all remember the coronavirus crash, the China-US trade war, and this time it's back in 2018. The US credit downgrade of 2012, and of course the global financial crisis in 2006. I remember the global financial crisis. There are a lot of movies made about the GFC, and I started investing just prior to the GFC, so I do remember that very clearly. And we can go back all the way to the dot-com bubble, the Gulf War, and so forth. Now, as you can see, all those market correction, they don't last very long, and eventually market goes up. Market goes up to all-time high. Just like today, those who are patient will be rewarded, and eventually market will go up and it will hit all-time high again. So today's market correction is no different um, between all those market crashes in the past. Eventually, market will fix itself out and it will hit an all-time high. Having said today is a great buying opportunity, which shares you should buy today? I suggest you put your money into ETFs. If you want to know what are ETF and why these are my top favorite ETFs, have a look at my past video. So these are my top ETFs. I'll just go through them quickly. We've got NDQ that invests in the Nasdaq top 100 companies. We've got IOO that invests in the global top 100 companies. We've got QAL, we've got MOAT, we've got the IVV, which invests in the S&P 500 index. We got VTS, we got VGS, which invest in the overseas worldwide companies. Then we've got a couple of great Aussie ETFs, VAS and VHY. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember, this video is only for educational purpose only. Do your own research and happy investing.